Third graders, I wanted to pull this up quick. We have been working on tracking our weather to see what the temperature is. So a little bit later than we did it before, but we are at about 9:35 this morning, and our temperature is currently 68 degrees. So I'm going to write it back there, but I want you to think. Last week, our temperature we don't have Fridays written down, but we took it. Our temperature on Wednesday was 53 and it was sunny. Our temperature Thursday around this time was 48 and it was sunny. Today, it's 68 degrees currently, but look outside. What do you notice? It's cloudy. It's rainy. So the temperature has gone up, but do we have different weather happening? Yeah, we have some. It's not sunny today, is it? So do you think it's going to feel super warm?
No.
Not necessarily, but we know that it's going to be it is currently about 68 degrees, 45% chance of rain through this morning. And we know that's going to happen because did it rain already a little bit? Yep, and I can't tell for sure, but it could even possibly still be raining a little bit. It looks like it is.
Yeah.
Chloe.
What I see on the bottom, it says 45% chance of rain at through 10 a.m.
Yep, so that's what we just said. It could be, there's like that chance of rain through this morning, which it is. It's raining, isn't it? Fabulous. I want to show you, we'll go ahead and take a look at that radar too, because we talked about how it definitely changes when we actually have something going on. So looking at our radar, it takes a moment to load, so we'll get there. Now remember, when it pulls it up, it goes straight to where we are located. So all this green right here is going to be light rain. And then where it gets darker, that's more rain. So we start to see that there. We are right over here where they have it pinned right there. And we can see what has happened in the last little bit, how the rain has moved. You see it moving across a little bit? That's what the radar does, is it tracks where that weather is going, where it has been, and you can start to predict where it'll go to. So if it's traveling along that path there, it's probably going to continue that way, right? It's not going to all of a sudden say, nope, never mind, we're going to go back to where we came from. We can zoom out a little bit on our map then and look more at Nebraska and the United States in full. There's more going on today, so it takes a little bit longer to get there. Well, it's not. It's just still getting there. We'll talk about it. We'll go to the side and see it. But you're right. So we can see now it's kind of finishing loading. We have got some more rain coming in over here by Seattle, by Portland, Oregon, Seattle, Washington. Over in north of us in South Dakota, what do you think that blue stuff is? Snow, probably. And then we've got that rain going over us a little bit as well. So my mom is over here by San Jose right now, and she said it's been raining for like 2 days. Probably not raining right now, right?
Yeah.
But if we come over to the side, we did not look at this last time, you can see what those colors mean. So if we're in the red right here, it's showing us just rain. Once you get into the pink, it's that sleet snow mix. And down in the blue is that snow. And the darker it gets, the heavier it's getting as well. So does that help us a little bit start to see what we're seeing?
Yes.
And we can notice in that radar. The purple is going to be with that sleet.
Oh.
Yep, good question. So that's what we're seeing happening right now. Kind of cool now that we actually have some weather patterns coming in a little bit. We can see what's actually happening on the radar and how it's moving a little bit. Last week was rather boring.
Yes.
Perfect. Great to get that started. We'll add that right away so we don't forget this time. We're at 68 degrees.